Jerry Stiller, who died in the hit sitcom's ninth and final season. Many Seinfeld fans now celebrate the holiday, inspired by the father of Seinfeld, writer Dan O'Keefe, each December 23rd. The main decoration, the festival's pole, and the rituals, including feats of strength and the incomparable airing of grievances, have become pop culture icons all by themselves. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel LocalViews KWL-TV. Comedic legend Jerry Stiller, Seinfeld actor and father to Ben Stiller, dies at 92. No less a Seinfeld expert than Jerry Seinfeld marveled at the enduring appeal of Festivus in a 2019 interview with USA Today. "I think the biggest surprise to all of us was the staying power of Festivus. I think that completely surprised us. When I bump into Kramer's Michael Richards returned to work after 12 years of being on strike. Elaine, Julia Louis-Dreyfus, having her fake phone number dating gambit blow up in her face, and George Jason Alexander creating a funny charity, the Human Fund. But it's Festivus we'll always remember." Ben Stiller was only one of the comedic gifts Jerry Stiller gave the world. The fun starts when Elaine asks about the holiday, and Jerry delightedly explains, despite angry George's constant shouts of "no" instead of a tree. "Didn't your father put up an aluminum pole?" Jerry asks to George's eternal chagrin. "Weren't there feats of strength that always ended up with you crying?" Kramer, not surprisingly, is mesmerized by the holiday and asks Frank about its origins.